Hi, today I'm going to show you how to perfectly set up my starting place. First, press the side brush against the attachment point. Now for the charging station. Connect the power cord. Make sure the charging station is standing on a flat surface and then turn the switch on. There must be at least 80 centimeters of freely accessible space in front of the charging station. To be able to leave the charging station and to park, I need a radius of 30 centimeters of free space without obstacles. Before we begin, please fully charge me. This can take from 2 to 3 hours. When my LED display is illuminated steadily, I'm ready to go. In the next step, we'll connect me with the Nexaro HUB.